Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, October 10th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And the US dollar came in number one today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full top down analysis on the euro dollar for this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course. So anyways, CPI inflation data came out today, and it was actually a very underwhelming news event. Very little price action out of it. But we do have some more news coming out tomorrow, so we'll have to see what it does. But yeah, I mean, still no break of structure. So if I was, trading below the 1 hour time frame, I would definitely still be looking for shorts until we do get this break of structure right here. I mean, to me, it still looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm watching my Fibonacci extension levels. I mean, if it does go up, if it does break structure, I definitely will turn into a buyer because that means that we're most likely now in a wave B or wave 2. If it doesn't and it just continues to make lower lows, lower highs, then guess what? I'll just keep on going short every single chance I get. Fighting the trend is a terrible idea. I would much prefer to just wait for a nice break of structure, wait for a pullback, and then go long for the continuation of the uptrend. Otherwise, like I said, if there's no break of structure, then definitely just continue to go short because the trend is your friend. So anyways, take it down to the news calendar. The next big thing is the GDP for the pound tomorrow morning in the London session. And then we have some Canadian news tomorrow, unemployment change, unemployment rate, and we got PPI news, which is has a lot to do with inflation also. So I think tomorrow's US dollar news should definitely cause some volatility in the market, so we got that to look forward to. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.